Good morning, students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do a new exercise, exercise 11.4, chapter 11, perimeter and area. In question number 1, a garden is 90-meter long and 75-meter broad. Say, I have taken a rough sketch. A, B, C, D is the garden in which length is BC is 90-meter and width AB it is 75-meter broad. So 90 meter is the length and breadth is 75-meter. So easily you can find the area of the garden, which is ABCD. Now a path 5-meter wide path is all around the garden. You can see EFGH. I have taken another rectangle EFGH, which is 5-meter in length. It is SAFG. It is 90 plus 5 from this side, 5-meter, and 5-meter from this side. So this all around the path is 5-meter wide. So in this side also it is 5-meter wide, this side also 5-meter wide. So FG will be 90 plus 5 meter, that is 100-meter. For this outer rectangle EFGH, length is 100-meter and breadth, which is 75-meter, was 75-meter. AB was 75-meter. You can see this is also, this portion also 5-meter wide and this portion also 5-meter wide. So in this portion and this portion will be added with DC or AB, then it will become this length of this portion, that is GH, will be 75 plus 5 plus 5, means this one also 75 plus 5 plus 5, but there is no space, so I am writing here meter, that is 85-meter. So the outer rectangle whose length is 100-meter and breadth is 85-meter. The inner rectangle, that is a garden, it is 90-meter and 75-meter. You have to find the area of the path. So what you will do, you have done this kind of sums in circle also. You have to there you are finding the remaining, removing one circle, the removing area of the sheet or the metallic path. Now here you are finding the area of the, so area of the path. First of all, you will find the area of the garden, then you will find the area of the garden with path, that is EFGH. So after that, you will subtract the smaller area from the larger area, you will, the remaining path you will get. Understood? This is the sum only. So you will do the sum now. Let ABCD be the garden. It was not given. I have you will do it by your own, that is a rough sketch. Let ABCD be the garden and rectangle EFGH, the outer rectangle, which is garden with path. So I have written garden and plus path. So in area of ABCD, length into breadth, you know length is given 90-meter and breadth is given 75-meter, so easily you can find it 0.6750 meter square. Okay, now after that you will find the length of the outer rectangle. Now length of the outer rectangle, that is length is FG, say FG equal to, it was 90 before, and as because 5-meter wide path is here and 5-meter path is here, so along with so with 90 you have to add 5-meter plus 5-meter, so it is 90 plus 5 plus 5-meter equal to 100-meter. And breadth of the outer circle outer rectangle, sorry, outer rectangle, breadth of the outer rectangle, say it is GH equal to 75, again it is plus 5 meter. 75, it was 75, so here from here it is 5 and here it is 5, so it will be 75 plus 5 meter, that is 85 meter. Now area of EFGH, now area of EFGH is equal to, again length into breadth, that is 100 into 85 meter square, that is 8500 meter square. Now you need to find the area of the path. So you will subtract area of the garden from area of the outer rectangle, you will get the path. Now area of the path will be the outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. So 8,500 minus 6,750 meter square, you will get, subtract it, you will get 1,750 meter square. 1,750 meter square, and this is the area of the path. So this is one answer. Now the second part of the sum, it is also find the area of the garden in hectare, another unit you have to convert. Here you will use the conversion of unit. You know 10,000 meter square, 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. 1 hectare. So 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. So 1 meter square equal to 1 by 10,000 hectare. You have to find the area of the garden. Area of the garden was 6,750. Therefore 6,750 meter square. As the area of the garden was 6,750 meter square, will be how much hectare? 1 into 6,750 by 10,000 hectare. Cancel. Then it will be 1, 2, 3. After 3 places the decimal will move. 675 hectare. Understood? And this is the second answer of this sum. Sum is lengthy but easy. You have to find the area. First of all, you have to find the area of the path, and then area of the garden. The question was find the area of the garden in hectare. So you are converting the area of the garden in hectare. Now question number 3. Question number 2 is same as question number 1. So we will do question number 3 now. In a picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide. It is a ABCD I have taken as a cardboard whose length is 8 cm and breadth is 5 cm. So ABCD is a cardboard where length is 8 cm, breadth is 5 cm, and the margin of 1.5 centimeter all around the board, the picture, and there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. So you have to find the total area of the margin. 1.5 centimeter from this side, 1.5 centimeter from this side, 1.5 centimeter from the bottom, and 1.5 centimeter from the top. So from left side, from right side, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. Now the difference of the previous sum, that is question number 1 and 2, and question number in between question number 3 and 1, what we can see that here the measurement of outside rectangle is given, and you have to find the measurement of the length and breadth of inside the rectangle EFGH. The rectangle we have marked EFGH to find the length of the area of the margin. So first of all you will find length and breadth is given AB and CD. It is very clear, but you have to find this length, that is FG. FG will be less than 8 centimeter. because 1.5 centimeter you have to leave from here and 1.5 centimeter you have to leave from here. So inside FG will be 8 minus 1.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter 2 times. You will subtract 1.5 centimeter from this side 1.5 centimeter and from this side it is 1.5 centimeter. Similarly for EF, that is the length of this side EF, you have it was 5 centimeter. Outside the length was width was 5 centimeter. You will again from here also you will subtract 1.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter 2 times. So 1.5 centimeter minus 1.5 centimeter. Understood? In this way you will find 8 minus 3, that is 5 centimeter. Here 5 minus 3, 1.5, it is 3 only. So 2 centimeter. So the inner length and breadth of inner circle, it is very clear, and length and breadth of outer circle, it is given. Now we have to find the length and breadth of, we have already find out the length and breadth of the inner rectangle. It is 5 and 2. So area of inner rectangle EFGH, it is 5 into 2 centimeter square, 10 centimeter square. Now come to the outer rectangle. For rectangle ABCD, AB is equal to 8 centimeter, AD 5 centimeter, it is given already. So area of rectangle ABCD, 8 into 5, length into breadth, 40 centimeter square. Now you need to find the total area of the margin. So from the outer circle, if you subtract the inner circle, you will get the area of the margin. So 40 minus 10 centimeter square, and it is 30 centimeter square. Understood? Now the sums are easy, but you have to follow the steps only. If you understand the steps once, then the sum will be very easy for you. Practice it. Thank you, students.